We're all familiar with the benefits of cross-training in sports. The golfer lifts weights to strengthen his back and improve his swing. The basketball player strengthens her legs to increase the height of her jump. With Lexia Cross Trainer, students strengthen their underlying cognitive skills, which can result in improved learning, higher academic achievement, and a better attitude towards school.
Lexia Visual Spatial is the first module in the Lexia Cross Training Suite to be released. It is designed to improve reading and math skills, understanding of the sciences, and following instructions. Lexia VS offers 5 engaging and challenging activities to help increase the student's learning potential. The first activity is Water World. Water World invites the student to create a pattern on the right side of their screen that matches the pattern on the left.
Select the bubbles on the right side of your screen that form the pattern shown on the left side.
As the student's abilities increase, so does the complexity of the randomly generated patterns. Water World is designed to improve figure ground perception, the understanding of negative space, visual matching, visual memory, and mental rotations. The purpose of the second activity, Tangrams, is to develop a variety of fundamental visual spatial abilities. These include part-to-whole relations and spatial relations. Part-to-whole relations challenge the student to create a complete design from individual component parts, much like a puzzle. This improves the student's ability to see how each part relates to the whole design. In spatial delivery, students must use a map to navigate through a 3-dimensional maze and deliver a package. Each level delivers new and more challenging mazes. Spatial delivery emphasizes the development of a variety of visual spatial skills, including navigation, spatial directionality, spatial memory, and coordinating 2-dimensional information with a 3-dimensional environment. True to its name, Flips is an activity designed to help students visualize how objects will appear when they are rotated or flipped. For these tasks, students create a pattern that matches the way the example pattern would have looked before it was flipped and/or rotated. The final activity, Cubes, is designed to improve a student's ability to visualize objects from different perspectives.
Color the cards at the bottom of your screen so that they look like the cubes on the turtle.
These exercises consist of comparing a 3-dimensional stack of cubes to 2-dimensional representations of the same cubes from a variety of perspectives. With improved perspective, students are able to envision what a scene or set of objects would look like if seen from a different angle. Here are some comments from parents whose children participated in the Lexia Visual Spatial Outcomes Study. His processing speed seems to have improved. He now feels that math is his best subject. He is better able to keep numbers aligned. He seems more confident, self-reflective, more flexible, more mature. He's approaching his 5th grade homework with independence and responsibility. The team at school is raving about him. Most notably, parents observed improvements with their children's sense of direction, organization, attention to detail, concentration, and problem-solving skills. Lexia's research and development of cognitive software was funded by a 3-year, $2 million grant from the Advanced Technology Program of the National Institute of Standards and Technology.
We conducted outcome studies during the summers of 2002 and 2003. In the outcome studies, 21 children used the visual spatial software for 45 hours. The students in the study were pre-tested and post-tested with a variety of neuropsychological tests that measure visual spatial skills. On average, this group of students scored higher on tests of paper folding, three-dimensional construction, and pattern analysis. We tested the current version of the software in the summer of 2003 and found statistically significant improvements on the Stanford-Binet intelligence scales, particularly on the subtests for working memory and visual spatial abilities. Perhaps even more significant was the overall improvement in nonverbal IQ and total IQ.
Lexia Cross Trainer is a proven technology that helps children and adults improve their thinking skills. The first module, Visual Spatial, has been engineered to improve 22 distinct visual spatial skills. For more in-depth information about these skills, or to access research papers and the user guide, click the Additional Resources button below. Lexia Cross Trainer is currently available through Lexia representatives nationwide and directly to consumers on Lexia's website.